Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I made a video and uploaded it I think a couple of days ago announcing that we bought a new house, a brand new house. So I am in the house right now. If you guys can see, this is a brand new environment, a house that we just bought. Here is the for sale sign right up here. This is indeed a big house. It needs a lot of work, which is we're up to it. We are basically used to these kinds of houses at this point in time. This is how we get really good deals, and we fix them up and then we rent them out. So here's the living room. It's a pretty big size living room, and the living room looks really nice. And here is a little porch right here. There is the living room over there. And here's a little porch. I don't know. Okay, this opens up to, what is this, Dan? Another living room?
This here?
Yeah.
This would be more like a dining room.
Yeah, this is the dining room. Pretty big size dining room. So I'm gonna take you guys through all of that. Like I told you guys, it needs a lot of work. And here is one of the bedrooms. It's a pretty large size bedroom. It's taped and blocked off over there. Here is a little closet here. And here is a bathroom. There's a bathroom in there. And over here is a little closet, right? There's no light in here. There's a little closet in here. Here is the stairs to go upstairs. And I'm not gonna take you guys there for now. So there's one bedroom in here, right? And here's a little bathroom in here. There's no lighting in here yet, so there's a little shower in here. And over here is the kitchen, which needs a lot of work, but it's okay. We are up to it. There are a few kitchen cabinets, so that's pretty awesome. There's a cabinet here, there's one here, there's one over here. Here's this kitchen sink, which is pretty cool as well. Needs cleaning. And there is another cabinet here. You guys could see that. And here is the garage. It's a 3-car garage. This is so cool. There's one garage door right there. You guys can see my hand. There's a garage door out there. There's one over there, and there's the third one over there. We are so happy for this house. This house is humongous, and we just can't wait to start working. So let's head upstairs. So there are 2 bedrooms downstairs. We are on our way upstairs. The upstairs needs a lot of work. Seriously, it does. See that? It's resulting from the roof. My husband is a contractor, so the roof is not a problem. He's gonna fix up the roof, and then there's one bedroom here. So we're upstairs right now. There's the bedroom in here. And I think the closet, there's a very small closet in there. There is another bedroom here. This is pretty cool. This is the 4th bedroom. There's 2 downstairs. 4th one up here. There's a closet in here. Nice closet door, so we're gonna be keeping this closet door. We are in the closet. These bedrooms are spacious, like huge bedrooms, really good sized bedrooms. You guys see that? Like, this bedroom is really big. And then let's go to the next one. Here is the 6th one, I don't know. Here is the 6th bedroom. Nice spacious bedroom also. Then let's head to the 7th one. bedroom. This one is smaller than the others that we've looked at. So another bedroom right here has this ugly paint up here, which we're gonna be changing. And then the very last bedroom is here. No, this is the bathroom. That was the last bedroom, and here's the bathroom. It's nasty. It has a nasty tub right down there. You guys can't see it. Here I am. So yeah, this is just a very small tour that I wanted to take you guys through. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see the renovation of this house, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this house. Like I said, I think it's either 6, we could turn it into a 7-bedroom because there's something downstairs that looks like we could turn into an extra bedroom. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see the renovation of this house, which I'm going to upload it on YouTube anyways. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting me. I checked last night and I've reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank you. I am so appreciative of every one of you that are subscribed to my channel, since I changed my channel from luxury and all of that stuff to just uploading about our business and our company and our real estate portfolio. So thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. And I think I might be making some lifestyle videos about my handbags and stuff, because I love handbags and shoes and all of that stuff that girls like. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.